Yep, it's official. This has got the name of the parts magnet. I'm making up a decal and putting it in the back window. Small decals should be available soon. So, I've been working on the interior a little bit. I had to put the seats together so I could get the door panels on correctly, because the seats have some type of weird bolster on the side of it that has to fit in a certain way. I've also been working on the dashboard. Sanded this area right here smooth, and this area, all the knobs and everything off. And I plan on adding this gauge cluster, which I believe is from a 63 or a 65 Corvette, one of the two. As you can tell, I've notched out this area right here and made it so it'll fit in. I don't know if this was a smart idea, because the original dash came with a decal for the gauges, where these I'm going to have to paint. Oh well, I wanted that classic look. I don't really like the steering wheel that came with the kit, but I might change it. Just need a little creativity there. I've been test fitting the interior tub to the body, and it's going to be kind of hard to glue it in after the car is painted. So I'm thinking about gluing the tub in prior to the car being painted, and if so, painting the interior tub afterwards by hand. So even though I should be working on this today, putting the pitman arm on, I'm going to try to get a coat of primer on this. Got everything set up. I did tape these down so they wouldn't fall off when I sprayed them. Now I'm going to try to get a coat of fillable primer on the body and a coat of black to cover up the purple on the interior. So for today's video, I will be using Rust-Oleum Rust Reformer for the interior because it gives it a nice black coat. And for the exterior, I will be using Rust-Oleum's 2-in-1 fillable primer. I'm using these two primers because I already had these and I didn't have to spend any money on this budget build. Now, I will have to spend some money when it comes to paint, and I haven't decided on what colors I'm going to use. Let's get to it.
Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight.
Well, I'm gonna let this bad boy cure up, see what it does from there. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Care about what you